Back with Dan. Control arms and shit. See what happens.
Want to do something badass? Not saying.
Little tool right here had to be used to separate the lower ball joint from the lower control arm. There's the old unit. Does it look damaged though?
Is it weird?
Oh, I don't know.
The bushings are different, bro. Let's compare them.
It doesn't look that fucked up to me. Maybe just the bushings are old, huh guys? Where's the other one you had open?
These are way heavier, yo. Look at the bushings, how these stick out.
Oh yeah, it's a little different, huh? It's like a little circle, little plumper. What about the other bushings? Those ones are kind of messed up right here. No?
Look at this shit.
I guess it's kind of messed up, huh?
Dude, that's old, yo. Look at it.
Yeah, it's old. Yeah,
It's cracking.
I mean, it's old. I mean, you can't deny the age. All right, there it is, yo. Lower control arms. We'll be back. And here with this True Heart suspension. Just getting the height measured over here. So I just got them, you know, to like a certain height here. You got the directions, True Heart, blah blah blah, and yeah, there it is. This guy got some tie rod out, I believe. Still with the LCAs over here. A little tie rod action going on here. Some other stuff. I have to put under. Little wrenching action going on.
Just have to push this one down. Right, is what you're trying to say?
You had it right the other way. Yeah. Oh shit, I'm fucking over here filming. Yup. There you go. Careful. Don't move that shit so much. Don't move it at all. Put it back.
I did.
You got it back?
Watch out.
Nah, I'm trying to tell you. Good stuff. Getting this thing off, this fork. Getting these bad boys out. See what's going on next. I love it again. Got this bad boy right here. Got it out right there. Got to get the brake lines off. Pretty good progress. Got the True Hearts.
Damn, cotter pin. Track gang, you know what the fuck going on. Happy 4th of July. But this is what really going on. ED6, coilovers, LCAs, tie rods.
The other side was seemed like it was easier, yo. No?
Yeah.
For some reason this side took longer. I don't know. That's what I kind of saw.
I feel like there's more space on that side.
This guy more space. It's just oh, because there's other components and shit, or what?
This axle is longer.
Oh shit.
You know, timing right now, we're tightening up the struts. Check like the true hearts. LCAs, tie rods.
Alrighty. You can't see anything, but you might be able to hear all the fireworks. It's smoky, the whole air. Whoa, I almost fell on this freaking LS Integra wheel. So he got the hood cable. It was broken. This little cable for the latch. He replaced that. All sick. Replacement. Bomb. You can see in there.
Chill, yo. Almost done.
It's like 4 in the morning, yo. Getting it dialed in. I think that's it, yo. We'll check it out in the daylight. Back at this shit.
Bring it back together.
And this guy got the intake tube.
Dude, this would have fit without the coupler, but it was just off by a little bit.
There she blows. There's the old stuff. See what goes on. See what develops.